2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, remote engine start, keyless entry, power liftgate, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, backup camera, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.